It's this tractor's parked up north, no electricity, yeah, no nothing. So it does have this little lean-to I park it in. I'm parked in here expecting the battery to be no bueno. It is about 11 degrees below zero. We'll see what she does, but I have a feeling I'm gonna have to jump start it. Oh, everybody loves these cold start videos, unless they don't start. So we'll turn the glow plugs on, or whatever you're gonna call them. Shut the radio off. She's running for a while. Should I start it once, or I'm gonna cycle them one more time? I have a feeling that battery's gonna not do it, but we'll see. She's cold. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, she just about did. Let's do her one more shot. She just about started. That's surprising. I figured that battery would be history. It might be yet. It might not get it another shot. I shouldn't have let go of the starter. Get it going. Oh, she does not like that. But she started. See if she stays running without any stupid ass codes. I bet the def code goes today. Usually does when it's cold. We'll see.